Are you hitting the gym every day but not seeing any results? Or maybe you're working out at home, following fitness routines, and still feeling stuck. If so, you might be making some common fitness mistakes that can secretly sabotage your progress. The truth is, getting fit isn't just about sweating it out, it's about doing things the right way. And if you're making these mistakes, no matter how hard you work, you'll never see the results you want. Stay with me because in this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 biggest beginner fitness mistakes that are preventing you from reaching your goals. And more importantly, I'll tell you exactly how to fix them. If you want to build muscle, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness, this is a must-watch. Let's get started. Before we dive into the mistakes, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why some people hit the gym and see results fast while others struggle for months, or even years, without progress? It all comes down to doing things correctly. The truth is, most beginners waste a ton of time and energy doing things that don't work. They fall for fitness myths, follow bad advice, or simply don't know what's actually effective. And that's why so many people give up before they see any real changes. But don't worry, I've got your back. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it immediately. Mistake number 1. Doing too much, too soon. If you think working out harder and longer means better results, think again. This is one of the biggest mistakes that fitness beginners make. They start their journey full of motivation, hitting the gym 6 or even 7 days a week, pushing themselves to the limit every session. But guess what? Your body doesn't work that way. When you suddenly go from 0 to 100, your muscles, joints, and nervous system aren't ready for the stress. Instead of making progress, you burn yourself out, increase your risk of injury, and exhaust your body. Overtraining leads to sore muscles, extreme fatigue, and, worst of all, can cause you to give up completely because you feel drained and discouraged. So, what's the right way to do it? Start slow and be consistent. If you're a beginner, working out 3 to 4 times a week is enough. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to train with proper form and give your muscles time to recover than to exhaust yourself every single day. Fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Mistake number 2. Ignoring proper form. Have you ever seen someone in the gym lifting weights with terrible posture? Or maybe you've tried a workout at home and felt pain in your knees, back, or shoulders. Bad form is the fastest way to ruin your progress and get injured. A lot of beginners think that lifting heavier weights means faster muscle growth, but that's not true. If your form is bad, you're not targeting the right muscles, and worse, you're putting unnecessary stress on your joints. This leads to aches, injuries, and long-term damage that can set you back for weeks or even months. So, how do you fix this? Slow down and focus on technique. Instead of lifting the heaviest weights you can handle, start with lighter weights and perfect your form. Use a mirror, record yourself, or ask for guidance from a professional. If you're doing bodyweight exercises, make sure you're engaging the right muscles and not compensating with bad posture. Good form leads to better results and a safer workout. Mistake number 3. Not prioritizing nutrition. You can't outtrain a bad diet. If you're working out but not seeing results, the problem might not be your workouts. It could be what's on your plate. So many beginners think they can eat whatever they want just because they exercise. They put in the effort at the gym but then load up on junk food, sugary snacks, and empty calories. Your body needs the right fuel to build muscle, burn fat, and recover properly. Without proper nutrition, you're basically undoing all the hard work you put in at the gym. Here's the truth. Fitness is 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. If you want to see real results, focus on clean eating, balanced meals, and proper hydration. Eat plenty of lean protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and fiber to give your body the nutrients it needs. Also, drink enough water because dehydration can slow down your progress and make you feel tired and weak. If you start paying attention to your nutrition, you'll notice a huge difference in how your body looks and feels. Mistake number 4. Sticking to the same routine. Are you doing the same workout every day and wondering why you're not making progress? If so, this might be your biggest mistake. Your body is incredibly smart, it adapts to stress quickly. If you keep doing the same exercises over and over, your muscles stop being challenged, and your progress plateaus. Think of it like this: if you lift the same weights or run the same distance every day, your body stops growing because it's no longer being pushed outside its comfort zone. That's why progressive overload is key to making gains. To keep seeing results, switch up your workouts regularly. Increase your weights, add resistance, change your reps, or try different exercises. Challenge your body so it doesn't get too comfortable. This will keep your muscles engaged, prevent plateaus, and speed up your results. Mistake number 5. Not getting enough rest and recovery. Here's something most beginners don't realize. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you train. If you're not giving your body enough time to recover, you're slowing down your progress. A lot of people believe they need to train every single day to get results. But the truth is, your muscles need time to repair and grow. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These fibers only rebuild and become stronger when you rest. Without recovery, you risk injuries, fatigue, and even muscle loss. So, how do you fix this? Prioritize rest days and sleep. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep every night because sleep is when most of your recovery happens. Also, include active recovery days where you do light stretching, walking, or yoga to help your body heal. If you balance training with proper recovery, you'll see faster gains, feel more energized, and prevent burnout. So, now you know the 5 biggest beginner fitness mistakes that could be holding you back. Let's do a quick recap. Don't do too much too soon, train smart, not excessively. Focus on proper form to avoid injuries and see better results. Nutrition is key, fuel your body with the right foods. Change up your workouts to keep making progress. Prioritize rest and recovery to allow your muscles to grow. If you fix these mistakes, you'll start seeing incredible changes in your fitness journey. No more wasted time, no more frustration, just real progress. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.